All right, y'all. I'm about to try pho for the first time. It came with a whole bunch of shit, so I'm gonna do a voice over this because I'm about to cut on my shows, bitch. Y'all watch Southern Charm, Crazy Praying Bishop. I'm about to watch Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Because I fucking love Kyle. But FYI, Kyle is definitely fucking a lesbian now. She bunches the crunch. Sorry, buddy.
Here are 5 ways to get the most out of Peacock. Add a Peacock original to my stuff. You're bringing me dolls to school? It's the 90s. Times are changing. Visit the channel section for live and breaking news. Breaking news as we come on the air. See what sports are streaming live. Inside and way through. Watch new movies streaming first on Peacock. And come back every week for new episodes. Guess what happens next?
So I'm assuming that you take all of that and try and put it in here.
The sun always shines in Beverly Hills, but not on everyone.
Smell good and fresh.
Everything might look perfect, but it's not. It's a land of
Oh,
make.
good. The chicken and the noodles. Okay.
This town runs on status. Status can come from money, connections, fame, or even looks.
I want to kind of just drop all of this in there, but I'm not.
It can all go away in an instant. But if you can play the game, there's nowhere better to live.
And then I don't know what this is.
It may look like I have it all.
I'm going to take a little bit of it and put it in there.
In Beverly Hills, it's who you know, and I know everyone. Money is what I have, not who I am.
A hoisin sauce.
I was a child star.
I feel like this go in there too.
Is being a mother. In a town full of phonies, I'm not afraid to be me.
I'm just doing shit,
It's
y'all.
time for me to come out of my husband's shadow and shine.
I'm taking this broth and pouring it on top.
My name's Lisa Vanderpump.
Lisa Vanderpump.
And I live in a gated community in Beverly Hills.
Am I in the right? I can't be on the. I be on the wrong episodes, y'all. Yeah, cause there's no reason why I should be seeing Lisa Vanderpump. And this is like the third time this has happened to me. Come on, this Apple TV is so hard, y'all. Hold on. All right, I think we all set. And then now, press play. Play the movie. And I'm gonna just.
The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Stream all new episodes Thursdays on Peacock. Previously on The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.
Gina and I are so excited to present you the Las Vegas residency.
Terminated back!
And I guess I just let it sit for a while. So we're letting it sit.
Reason, right? Why this is going on?
I want to understand.
I'm done. But small esophagus is not the reason.
Anna Marie is coming for you.
Wow.
Your small esophagus.
I may act for a living.
But I never
Let it
fall for
cook.
a bad performance.
Who needs a knight in shining armor when you have your own horse?
The best part about losing everything.
Excited.
Hi, Oz.
Just
You've been
to get a little
gone.
taste to
This
see
was
what's
not approved.
the flavors hitting for.
Brian.
That's what I do. This is not hot
Okay.
parties.
Not bad.
This is the electrical device. It's gonna give you an instant lift. I'm just starting with the Like a little medium.
Okay. Oh.
It'll do.
Oh, wow.
It don't hurt my
Did
mouth,
I feel high?
so
Sure.
we
I
can
was
go
just-
with it.
You'll be happy inside.
You look like you're like working for the Easter Bunny or something.
These roses are amazing, though. Look, smell it.
Oh my god, it literally smells like perfume.
They're so good.
Wow. Where'd you get this from?
Well,
Are you pretending to garden?
No, I pick these roses all the time. I talk to them. It's very good for you to talk to your plants and stuff.
I have fun with that. I don't want my face in the sun. I gotta go outside.
Perfect for my mouth.
I'm gonna get a water. Would you like a water?
He's in Mexico City.
Perfect
He's
for
in
what I
Aspen
need.
And then Mexico City.
Doing his stuff.
Yeah.
I'm not
And this
expecting
little
you
stuff
to
is
use
the spicy stuff, but I like it. I like it.
You are in the hospital.